Hello and welcome. This is Devanshi Shah and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. A winter storm Linus has delivered heavy snow and bring blizzard conditions to a large area of the Midwest. It killed 2 people in Nebraska roadways on Sunday. Winter storm Linus dropped around 20 inches of snow in the Midwest. Iowa had received up to 14 inches of snow, and in Chicago, more than 8 inches of snow had fallen at the O'Hare International Airport. Winter storm Linus put the heavy snow in metropolitan Chicago areas more than 9 million people under a blizzard warning, and another 65 million people were also under a winter storm warning across 18 states. Snow was falling continuously on Sunday afternoon from eastern Nebraska to central Pennsylvania, a distance of more than 1,100 miles. 60 people were relocated from their home, and roads were covered with half-foot of snow, which leads to impossible to travel. In Chicago, power lines were damaged and 1,000 homes were without power. Due to power outages in Chicago, which led to service disruption and delays of Chicago's yellow, purple, and red lines. More than 2,000 US flights were cancelled on Sunday, and more than 1,000 have been delayed for Monday, and Level 3 snow emergencies was announced by the officials. Churches and businesses were closed on Sunday and Monday. Many universities also announced closure on Monday in Ohio and Michigan. Michigan declared a snow emergency that will remain active through Tuesday. Forecasters say winds from Lake Michigan could gust to over 30 miles per hour. Linus will continue to cover the similar amount of snow in the Northeast. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Devanshi Shah.